You ready?
Yeah.
No?
I said yeah.
Sorry, she's still waking up. So it's like 9 o'clock here at Ford County Lake. She hasn't had her coffee yet, so she's still waking up. But we'll see who wins it today and see how we do.
Got one.
channel, cat. Yeah. Yeah. Wanna open the live well? Yeah, take it home to mom.
I'll call you when we're on our way home, or I'll text you. Alright, bye.
2 pounds. Even.
Now I'm back in the game, and I'm gonna fucking win.
Oh yeah, winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Are you good, dude?
Well, that sucked. That was a rough day on the water.
Yeah.
Like, me and you literally got our teeth kicked in on that water.
It was about 7 or 8 hours of just. We got 2 catches, 3 if you count the catfish.
Believe it or not, that was the biggest catfish I've caught on Ford County. And it was with bass gear
I was about to start diving
in broad daylight
with
in
the
about
net.
a foot of water.
I was about to start diving in with the net and just scooping up the bass because I knew they were there. Oh, jerks, just not biting anything.
Yeah, I think we tried about every bait on the boat. And it just,
Every rod, we were just not having it.
yeah. Pretty horrible. A rough ass day. Regardless, I won with 1 catch, 2 pounds. Beat you out by 5 ounces.
Yeah, that was crap. I had the only catch for about 6 hours, and then in the last hour and a half we were there, you got what? The catfish, and then you got a bass, and then you won by 5 ounces?
Mm-hmm.
Crap.
Ounces win tournaments.
Yeah, whatever.
True statement. Ounces win tournaments. There also is that saying on the water, if the bass are nowhere, or the bass can be anywhere, then they're nowhere. That's how that one went.
Yeah.
But we figured out what we were fishing for during the boat ride, because up until that point we haven't really narrowed down what we were competing for. And it was in the video, but you can't see it because I fast forwarded it because there was no catches, so it was very uneventful. So the goal was, if she won, I had to fly an Eagles flag out front in our house for the remainder of the NFL season, which I'm not a huge Eagles fan anyway. I'm a Chiefs fan.
I'm from
So.
Pennsylvania, so naturally, fuck the Steelers.
But at least the Ravens lost this week anyway, so.
That's Maryland, don't insult me.
And then if I won,
I'm not talking about it, because I'm not doing it.
what was gonna happen if I won?
That's a good question. I
What
don't
was it?
recall. Jerry,
Mm-hmm.
you should probably tell them, because I don't remember. Crazy,
Okay.
it just slipped my mind.
Well, the deal was, if I won, this one right here had to wear a Chiefs hat during every Eagles game for the remainder of this season.
I'm gonna burn it. I'm gonna burn it. By the end of the season, it's gonna be on the ground in little burn up things. You're gonna be like, why? I'm gonna be like, well, next year, that's not happening.
And just to rub it in a little bit more, it is signed by Alex Smith, so let's
It's even crappier that it's gonna be burned.
kind of rub that
It's
one in.
unfortunate for you.
Rub that one in a little bit.
Mhm.
But like I said, that was a really rough day on the water. But at least we got a catfish out of it. I mean, a really good one,
Yeah, it was decent.
at least. But let us know if you'd like to do this style of fishing again. Maybe we can get another person on here. Maybe a guy that I used to do tournaments with to do one of those. Or if you'd like to see her fishing with me more often.
We all know I'm better anyways. I'm pretty awesome.
Yeah, okay.
Well, okay.
But
Go.
just let us but just let us know. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.